Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'll be showing you how I make my chicken foot sauce. It is a Caribbean thing. You can also use parts of a cow or pig, but today I'm using the chicken feet, and you can make this all year round. Sometimes I wonder why the term chicken foot when there are more than one feet. I did cut the toenails from the chicken, wash it with water, salt and vinegar, place it into a pot with some salt and cloves. Once it gets tender, we're going to throw away the first water because that's all the rankness from the chicken feet there. We don't need that first water. And then we're going to pour that water out, place some more fresh water into the chicken feet with some garlic, and let this sit over medium heat for about 5 to 10 minutes. Once it's done, we are going to remove it, place it into a glass bowl, guys, and you do not want to use a metal bowl because it's very reactive when it combines with the vinegar. You don't want the results of a metallic taste. All right, now I'm going to pour that warm water right over the chicken feet. Submerge the chicken feet, guys, because the water is what we're going to be using up. Okay, just leave out the garlic. All right, no garlic into this. That's what's just for boiling. And at this time, I'm going to show you that I did not use the cloves of garlic. Now what I'm going to do is add my ingredients into this, and I'm not going to be using a metal spoon. All right, I have vinegar, lime juice, freshly squeezed, black pepper, complete seasoning, cucumber, Guyana fine thyme, Guyana celery, red and white onion, Scotch bonnet pepper, and now we're going to add our complete seasoning and black pepper. Not using the metal spoon, you can use a wooden spoon also. Our lime juice, and be sure to add a little bit of vinegar at a time. You don't want that much vinegar taste, dear. You don't want that strong taste. All right, so we have cucumber, onions, our pepper, our celery and thyme. Check the description box below, guys. Add them right up into here. At this time, the chicken feet, the water and everything is like just cool and nice. Not too cold, but just lukewarm and nice. And this is a great way of pickling your chicken feet and the cucumbers. Mix it well and make sure you taste as you go. Check to see if you want any more lime juice, if you want some more vinegar or salt, or even a little bit more pepper. For me, when I taste, I think I wanted a little bit more spice, so I just dropped that pepper right in the middle. Let it sit for about 20 to 25 minutes before I serve, so I can get that real taste. Yes, so this is a chicken foot sauce. It's a Caribbean thing. You can make it all year round, guys. Serve it up, enjoy it, give it a try, leave me a comment, and thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Enjoy.